Software testers wanted, earn $100s a day. Warning: if you've tried to make money online and failed, this is the last system you'll ever need. This simple system can earn $4,237 per month. Please don't forget to subscribe to be the first to see our next video on how to make money online. That said, let's jump back into the video. Ablox Software, changing lives through tech. Kelly Konska, president of Ablox Software based in Phoenix, Arizona, is one such story. We took an inside look at her team, her vision, and the incredible developments that the rise of internet entrepreneurs forced into existence during the last 12 months, and it's nothing short of breathtaking. RE, your automatic cash generating system. Welcome. I am glad you're here. You're probably here because you've tried to make money online before and failed. Year after year, time after time, these online get-rich-quick systems slowly siphon off your hard-earned money, only to leave you frustrated at best, completely broke at worst. They always mislead you, make big promises but fail to deliver even a cent. It's not your fault. That's why I directed my software team to develop a commission program that makes things a lot easier. Introducing the #1 easiest way to make money online. Software tester jobs are easy and can be started in under 15 minutes. But you must first qualify. This is a limited opportunity. All we need is about 50 more people with no experience. You must be a US or Canadian citizen, no exceptions. Software tester application. Fill an application, then click apply for position to get started. 1. What's your first name? 2. What's your email address? This is where we will send your approval. Privacy guaranteed. We value your privacy and never sell private information. You must act quickly. You'll be taken to our private application. You could earn thousands per month. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Click apply for position to get started. Click apply for position to get started. If you leave this page, I guarantee someone else will take your spot, forcing you to work at your dead-end job for the rest of your life. The typical purchaser does not make any money using this system. Link to your money system is in the description below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like.